Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to curry some turkey wings. Last time we stewed the turkey wings, so now I'm going to curry the turkey wings. So let's get straight into it. The first thing we have to do is to season the chicken, right? I have 2 sticks of thyme, finely chopped. I have some parsley here, finely chopped, and I have some tomatoes, and I have about some seasoned peppers here, finely chopped. I think that's about 4 of them there. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Add some salt, some black pepper, then we just mix everything together and allow this to marinate for a good few hours. Make sure I have enough salt. Okay, so here's my turkey wings all nicely seasoned. So I'm going to put this in the fridge and allow it to marinate for a good few hours. So I'll be back to do the other steps. Okay folks, so here I have my pot on the stove. I'm going to add a generous amount of oil. That should be good enough. I'm going to add 1 onion, finely chopped. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Let the curry fry down a bit. About 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll lower my heat to low. I'll allow the curry to cook well. Now I'm beginning to add the turkey wings and coat them with that toasted curry. Okay, as you can see before, I added a small bit of water because it was starting to burn. So I added a small bit of water to continue stirring the turkey wings so it could be fully coated with the curry, toasted curry. So now I'm super happy with the color that I'm getting right now. I'm going to fully bowl that I had the seasoned turkey in with some water and pour the water into this pot. Actually fully pot of water because this is a small pot and turkey is a very tough meat, so this has to cook for quite some time, about an hour and something. I'm also going to add a hot pepper. Okay folks, so here's my curry turkey wings, all done, nice and tender. It took maybe about an hour and 50 minutes to be nice and tender. So I'm going to turn off the stove and do a presentation. Okay folks, so here's my curry turkey wings, looking super delicious. Right, I can't wait to dig into this. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. and don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for your support. Take care. Bye bye.